Life can throw some curveballs. Unexpected expenses, medical bills, or even sudden job loss can leave us feeling overwhelmed and unsure of how to move forward. Sometimes, we find ourselves facing more debt than we can handle. It can feel like a never-ending cycle of payments and interest with no clear way out. The good news is that you don't have to navigate this alone. There are resources and people ready to help you take control of your financial situation. At the Ladder to Success, we're dedicated to providing you with the tools and knowledge to take control of your finances. Our programs are designed to educate and empower you to make informed decisions. Debt negotiation can be a powerful tool on your journey to financial freedom. By working with your creditors, you can find a more manageable way to pay off your debt. Think of debt negotiation as a way to renegotiate the terms of your loans with your creditors. This process can help you create a payment plan that fits your budget and financial goals. This can involve reducing your interest rates, lowering your monthly payments, or even extending the repayment period to make it more affordable. In some cases, you might even be able to settle your debt for a smaller amount than you originally owed. This can provide significant relief and help you get back on track. It's about finding a solution that works for both you and your lender. Open communication and a willingness to negotiate can lead to a mutually beneficial agreement. This guide will walk you through the process of debt negotiation, providing you with practical steps and real-life examples to help you along the way. You'll learn how to approach your creditors, what to say, and how to document your agreements. Remember, taking the first step is always the hardest. But with the right support and information, you can make significant progress towards financial stability. Let's start climbing the ladder to success together. With determination, knowledge, and the right tools, you can overcome your debt and achieve financial freedom. Join us on this journey and take control of your financial future today. Debt can feel overwhelming. It's natural to avoid dealing with it, but communication is key. Avoiding calls and letters only makes the situation worse. By opening a dialogue with your creditors, you demonstrate a willingness to find a solution. This can work in your favor. Creditors are often more understanding than you might think, especially when you're proactive. Remember, you're not alone in this. Millions of people face debt challenges. Talking about it is the first step towards resolving the problem. Before you can negotiate, you need to know what you're dealing with. Understanding the full scope of your debt is crucial. It's like preparing for a journey. You need a map to guide you. Start by creating a comprehensive list of all your debts. This list will be your roadmap. Include the creditor's name, total amount owed, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. This detailed information will help you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Once you have a clear picture of your debt, it's time to create a budget. A budget is your financial blueprint. It shows you where your money is going and helps you plan for the future. Track your income and expenses meticulously to see where your money is going. This step is essential to understand your spending habits. This will help you identify areas where you can potentially cut back to free up funds for debt repayment. Look for non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your financial situation is the first step towards taking control. With a clear plan and a determined mindset, you can face your debt head-on and work towards financial freedom. Not all debt is created equal. Understanding the different types of debt you have is crucial in managing them effectively. Prioritize your debts by interest rate. High-interest debts, such as credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control if not addressed promptly. High-interest debts, like credit cards, should be tackled first as they accumulate debt faster. This can lead to a cycle of increasing debt that becomes harder to break. Consider options like debt consolidation or balance transfer cards. These can simplify your payments and potentially reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. These strategies can help you manage your debt more effectively. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. Debt consolidation combines multiple debts into one loan with a potentially lower interest rate, making it easier to manage your monthly payments. While balance transfer cards offer a temporary 0% interest period, this can give you the breathing room needed to pay down your balance faster without accruing additional interest, allowing you to pay down your balance faster. Setting up a clear repayment plan with specific dates can keep you on track and motivated. Remember, there are tools available to help you manage your debt. Budgeting apps and debt management spreadsheets can provide a clear picture of your financial situation. Explore your options and choose the strategy that best aligns with your financial goals. Educating yourself on financial strategies can empower you to make informed decisions and take control of your debt. You'll want to craft your debt negotiation strategy. Before you contact your creditors, have a plan. Determine how much you can realistically afford to pay each month. Be prepared to provide documentation of your income and expenses to support your proposed payment plan. Practice your negotiation skills. Role play with a friend or family member. It's okay to ask for what you need. Remember, creditors are often willing to work with you to find a mutually agreeable solution. When you're ready to negotiate, call your creditor. Explain your situation honestly and politely. Be prepared to provide documentation to support your claims. Clearly state your proposed payment plan. Be firm but respectful. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, you're aiming for a win-win situation. Remember, negotiation is a process. Don't expect to reach an agreement overnight. Be patient and persistent. Don't be afraid to counteroffer if the creditor's initial offer isn't feasible for you. Remember, you have the right to negotiate terms that work for your budget. Once you reach an agreement, get it in writing. This protects both you and the creditor. Review the agreement carefully before signing. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification on anything that seems unclear. Congratulations! You've taken a huge step towards financial freedom. Celebrate your accomplishment. But remember, this is just the beginning. Stick to your payment plan. Avoid incurring new debt. Explore resources like The Ladder to Success to continue your financial education and build a brighter financial future. What are your experiences with debt? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe to this video. We're here to help.